Sony is about to do something it hasn't done in 6 years, a full redesign. The Xperia 1 Mark VIII is coming, and leaks show it looks nothing like what came before. Fresh leaked renders have surfaced, and that camera block? Completely different. Stay to the end for every detail. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss a drop. Sony is redesigning its flagship for the first time in 6 years. This is not a small update. The next-gen Xperia breaks Sony's design tradition. New form, new feel, new everything. A square camera module replaces the old pill shape. Still 3 lenses, still Zeiss optics inside. Wide bezels are gone. The selfie camera now lives in a clean punch hole cutout. The Mark VII sits at $1,499 on Amazon right now. Link in the description below. The Mark VIII is expected to be unveiled around June, if Sony keeps last year's schedule. Leaked images sourced from a casemaker on Weibo gave the world its first real look at the design. The square module trend exists elsewhere, but Sony's take is its own. No straight copying here. The Zeiss T-Star logo confirms Sony's German optics partnership is very much still alive. Headphone jack stays on top, USB-C and SIM at the bottom. Shutter button on the right, classic Sony. The display ratio jumps from 19.5 to 9 to 21 to 9. Taller, wider, and more immersive than ever. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 under the hood, plus a brand new 200-megapixel telephoto sensor. New design, new display, new chip, new 200-megapixel camera. The Mark VIII is Sony's boldest move yet. More updates coming the moment Sony makes it official. Stay blessed. Peace out.